Okay, I'm recording. I'm here at the auto wrecker yard. This is a Windstar, about a 2001 Windstar, and this is the way I found the van. And the steering column's up a bit. Now what I have to do is unbolt, get that switch off right there for the ignition, because the one my sister's got is shorting out. So right now, that's what I'm doing. I'm bolting that. Easy to get to once the the steering wheel is lifted off the brackets. Anyway, that's what I'm up to today. It's like -4 out here. I'm all dressed up. Got my tools, my sleigh. See the sleigh there? Okay, I gotta put the camera down and start on doing it. Okay, I got the switch off here. It's just right there. What I use is a Torx. There's the